Bought a unit, gonna open up right now. Brought my helper. Here we go. Here we go. Keep you posted, kids. $90 locker. Found a skateboard. Holy crap. Well, we got it loaded. We got a couple of good skateboards, yard sale stuff, a lot of trash. Got a nice subwoofer system. I'll show more of this when we get back. I got some trash to source through. Low cost unit. Something to do on a Saturday afternoon. We'll see what's up. Hey, from Coach Stomp Costa. I'm gonna wrap up what I got from the storage locker, 90 bucks. And I'll show you what I got. And again, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, punch the like button, and check the links below. But let's see what I got from my hustle. And again, I've got to sell this stuff at a yard sale and some of my other selling channels. I've got some basic yard sale stuff I can sell. The boots are newer. The propane tank goes for a little dough. No real big scores here on this end. This is basic yard sale stuff. Some craft stuff, decorations. Man, you want to call that a vintage drill? We'll see. A little baby ottoman, a water turnoff. The stuff that may sell for a little bit more dough would be this long skateboard. I kept a skateboard with the lighted wheels because I'm 58 and I need that. Yeah, right. And this is the thing that might sell for more money. I got to go research this up. But it's a Kenwood, some type of subwoofer. It looks like it's still together. I got to figure out how to test it. But, you know, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. I could go to an Indian casino and throw down $100 and maybe not come up. But this was fun, and we'll sell this stuff. And I do have access with a buddy to get rid of the rest of the stuff that's trash. So that's my haul. And until we go hunting for the next one, just wanted to show you what I had. Good luck out there. If you like storage auctions, go out there and try it. It's nothing like it. Talk to you soon. Whose feet are that?